Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can solve the problem when an app on Android you have downloaded from external source without Play Store, like an APK file. You want to install an APK file and it doesn't install on your device. Then how you can solve this problem, I will tell you. The first solution for this is, like, you have low memory on your device. If you have low memory on your device, then you have to delete extra things on your mobile memory so that you can easily install the app you want to install. Like you can see in the video, if you delete extra files you will get extra memory and you can easily install an app. Moreover, the app have an older version of that app and your device is an updated device and this app cannot be installed on your device. So the third solution is, if you have full memory in your RAM, you can easily clear that memory using a Clean Master or similar app. Like you see in the video, there is memory clearing app which can easily clear memory and available memory for installing the app. Moreover, you have also clear the memory from your RAM so that you can easily install the app. These are the possible solutions if you want to install an Android app. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.